see my friend for lunch, and then we're gonna go, I think, like have a little shopping day. HomeGoods, maybe Target. We'll see what we get up to. And then I think we're going to Applebee's for lunch. Anyway, I saw this DIY on Pinterest the other day where you put like 2 little bow ties on your denim jacket. And I just came in here to get my denim jacket, but it's not in here. So I need to find it, and I think that could be really cute to put like the little bows on it today for my outfit. But it's currently 10:15 and I have to leave at like 10:30. So I just did my like no makeup to make myself look a little more alive. But it's already getting to that point where the weather is so cold that I cannot use any foundation or it will look awful. So if you have any really good primers or moisturizers for the winter, please let me know, because it's so annoying to like not be able to wear any face makeup. It's fine, like it's probably good for my skin, but like it would be nice to be able to like not look like a scaly lizard in the winter. So let me know. But I'm gonna go find my little jacket and do this DIY. I'm having one of these protein shakes for breakfast, and I have my morning medications in this little jam jar. I'm back home from my little shopping adventure. Is it a universal experience to hide anything you've bought for the day from your significant other when you get home? Because I don't know why I'm like, I've been bad. I feel like I got a good mix of like fun things and then things I actually needed. First bag was from Ulta. I got my cleansing balm from e.l.f. The makeup melting cleansing balm. I just feel like nothing takes off my makeup better than this, especially because I use waterproof mascara. Love that stuff to death. I also have been using this primer on and off for years, but it's the Pretty Fresh Hydrating Primer. It looks like this. It's this pretty like peachy color. It has hyaluronic acid in it, and I swear by this. Like, it's so hydrating. I need a product when I put my makeup on that's gonna actually help smooth my skin's texture, and this always does a really good job of hydrating. Next is Marshall's or HomeGoods. I'm literally praying that this fits because I didn't try it on. I got this knit pair of pants, and then it came with a match knit sweater. And tell me this is not like the peak work from home outfit. It was 20 bucks for the entire set, and I feel like that's pretty good. I don't buy like matching sets very often, so I'm actually really excited about that. I know we are fully in the October spirit, but when I'm filming this, it's like a week away from Halloween, so I'm already dipping into the Christmas spirit a bit with this one. But I got this sand and fog diffuser set. It has 4 different scents. It has balsam cedar, winter white, winter pine, and vanilla snowflake. And I have a diffuser that I have near like the kitchen sink. I have some essential oils that I use now, but I just don't love any of the scents too much. Ooh, that's very winter season. Winter white, so good. Winter pine. That one's good. That's not, I was nervous that one was gonna be like too much Christmas tree, but it's actually not. Actually, it smells like a little bit more masculine mixed with Christmas tree, which I like. And last but not least, vanilla. This one's definitely gonna be my favorite. Last but not least, I got this hair mask. This is the Rosemary Mint Complex Hair Mask to revitalize scalp and support growth. This one was $7, so I didn't think that was that bad. And I wish there was smell-o-vision, because that just smells like a spa, like in the best way. And this is a pretty decent sized tub. Like, I feel like I'll get a good amount of use out of this. Should I have spent any money today? No. But it was worth it in the name of having a girls' day. Samson, the vlog wants to know how you've been liking your new space. Doesn't look much different, except we added this branch, which may look ridiculous, but he actually somehow thinks that this protects him when he goes to the bathroom, and he loves it. Huh. You love it? Yes. Do you love the camera? this yellow curry the other day, and by made the yellow curry, I mean sauteed the vegetables and used the Trader Joe's yellow curry. When I tell you, I made this and I was like, I have not been in my cooking hour recently, and I just like cooked this, didn't think about it very much, and it came out absolutely delicious. Peak fall comfort food. Also, if you hear that very annoying sound in the background, our fridge broke. Our freezer has been broken on and off for a while, but the fridge just broke, so I'm also trying to eat my leftovers so we don't lose it, because I have a feeling we're gonna lose most of the stuff in the fridge. And our microwave also has been going in and out, so I don't know why the appliances are against us. I'm already like 50% through my book Hopeless that I started yesterday, and I'm just eating up every page, absolutely eating up every page. So I feel like it just took me so long to get through Firefly Lane. Like, it's a book that I feel like you appreciate, but you're not like gripped. But I've been perfectly content just reading this book for the majority of this afternoon. If you want to recreate this cozy weekday friendly dinner, I literally just air fried butternut squash, and then I did the Trader Joe's chickpeas that like come in the can that are already flavored. Like, I think they're like Greek flavored, so I'm mixing the genres a bit here. Tomatoes, which was kind of a weird choice, like cherry tomatoes. The Trader Joe's cauliflower gnocchi, and then spinach and arugula, I'm pretty sure, and then onion and garlic. Sauteed that, added the yellow curry, and cooked some white rice to put it on top of. And this is gonna be my new fixation, absolutely. Trying to get in a better habit of doing my nighttime skincare. Honestly, just my skincare in general has kind of taken a back seat. If I had eye makeup on today, I would be using the melting balm that I talked about earlier, but I don't. So I'm just gonna use La Roche-Posay, I don't know how to say it, Purifying Foaming Cleanser. I like this one because it gets like super foamy, but it doesn't dry out my skin. And then I'm not gonna dry my face off all the way, so I'm gonna use my hyaluronic acid, which you always want to put on pretty wet skin, otherwise it defeats the entire purpose and it won't actually sink in. And then I'm gonna use my niacinamide, also by The Ordinary. Fighting the urge today in Ulta to not buy more skincare because I have good skincare. It's just that I literally don't actually take the time every night to use the skincare. I can feel that my lips are very dry, so I will be adding some chapstick into the mix. I got this retinol cream in my last like period prep routine vlog, but honestly, this is the first product in a really long time that when I use it and I wake up the next day, I can clearly tell a difference. My skin just looks like much more youthful, I guess, and super moisturized usually, and it just says it softens appearance of fine lines and helps skin look firmer. And this is from Good Molecules. This product kind of smells like Play-Doh, but it works very well, so I just ignore it. I'm too lazy to get my moisturizer. This is Casey's moisturizer, don't tell him. But mine's in the other room, so we will be using his CeraVe PM moisturizer. I feel like especially in the winter, it's so important to do your skincare. Try to keep your skin as hydrated as possible, especially for my skin. In the summer, I can kind of get away with it. I feel like my skin just does a lot better in the summer, but I actually feel so much better when I'm going to bed and I have my full skincare on, and then I wake up in the morning and I feel like so clean and fresh. So I'm gonna go to bed and I will see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning. I totally forgot to defrost my car, so it's gonna get a little bit loud. It's supposed to be like semi-warm out today, but it is freezing right now. It is currently 40 degrees. It's that cold. Trying on my Montreal scrunchie today. I feel like an 80s mom, but I'm kind of liking it. I feel like it's kind of cute. Our fridge broke, like officially broke. We have to get a new fridge today, but I'm really excited actually about that because our fridge kind of sucks, and now we can get a new fridge and we can restock it together and make it beautiful, which maybe was meant to be. I'm actually very excited about that. I have consistently skipped every single Sunday yoga class for like 3 weeks, like besides when I was on vacation. So I had to bribe myself this morning a little bit to get my favorite bagel and coffee. I say favorite, but I literally had it one time and it changed my life. So I'm gonna get that after I go to class today as my breakfast because we have absolutely no food now. But yeah, I will see you after class. Wow, I hate social interaction so much. That was horrific. I have been dreaming about this bagel. Oh, he's missing. Oh, they did not shy on the cream cheese. But look at what I freaking got. Look at this freaking glazed donut. Dunkin' Donuts has these like twists and they never have them. They used to have them all the time and now they never do. A glazed donut is my favorite. So I'm pumped about that. I also got a vanilla coffee. You might be thinking, Brittany, you're so brave ordering a black coffee. Well, I didn't, but this is what I've received today. It's not like the best in the world, but their coffee itself is really good, so it's not like nasty. It's pretty good. I currently need to kill some time because I'm just gonna meet Casey at his parents' house. So I'm gonna sit here, I'm gonna watch a vlog, eat my bagel, and probably wear it because it's so messy. Look at her. There's really no better feeling than to just sit in the car and eat a meal in peace. I don't know why, but like eating in the car is so cozy. And then I'm hoping we can go to Lowe's after this and find ourselves a nice dented clearance fridge because we were not expecting to buy a fridge randomly this weekend. So that's the plan, and I will see you in a little bit.
Started doing a couple of Pilates sessions, and ever since I've always been saying to Zoe,
let's try this freaking glorious donut. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm at peak serotonin right now. I've got Zoe and Alfie's vlog on, and I'm feeling good.
Say hi to Sampy.
Hi, Sampy boy.
He don't like you.
Oh.
You hear that noise?
Yeah.
That's me smacking his belly. He'll love it.
What are you doing?
I've been asked to take the plastic off and record it. However, it's already been done. So we'll make do with what we got. Ooh. Look at that new fridge. Over and out. I have good news. I found a piece of plastic I have not yet ripped off. Oh. Hang on. Here goes nothing. Ooh. gonna vlog Stampy's first reaction to the fridge, see if he does anything funny. So far, very uneventful. Oh, scary. Texas standoff. Oh, too scary. Oh!
Listen, if you come to my channel for an aesthetic grocery haul, you're not gonna get it because Samson is going to lick the floor obnoxiously in every clip no matter what I do. So please enjoy. This is a huge grocery haul for us, but we kind of had to because we literally had no food. So we're restocking white corn tortillas and burrito flour tortillas, tomato, banana, lots of lettuce for the rabbits this week, and then chocolate, must have chocolate in the home, carrots for Samson, bread, bagels, basil, tofu. I have whipped cream cheese and sour cream, and then I've been loving these like balanced Sargento things just to kind of like grab and go. Eggs, blueberries and cherry tomatoes, chocolate milk, regular oat milk. We like really stocked up on Samson's veggies because now we have a lot more room in the freezer in this fridge, so we stocked up a little bit. Baby arugula and spinach. I just got 2 like freezer meals. I've been trying to get like 2 of these a week because there always is like one day where I just don't want to cook at all, so these come in handy. And then Gardein meatballs, cheddar jack. I ran out of my chickpea flour for my morning omelets, granola bars, crackers, elbows. These are for Casey because I'm not an animal and I don't eat elbows for fun. Mayo, buffalo sauce. The biggest thing of broccoli you will ever see, like compared to the size of my hand. This bag of broccoli is gonna last a lifetime. And then also a huge bag of blueberry. Just out of convenience, I got myself cucumber water, nutritional yeast, tomato soup. I've been really liking these chai tea latte like protein shakes for the morning. That way I get my caffeine, but I also get a little bit of protein in with it so it doesn't like hit me like a brick. And then 2 things of pasta sauce. So that is what we have going on, and I cannot wait to restock the fridge right now.